Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to asthma. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. Natural remedies for vaginal infection have theoretic science behind them, but there is limited evidence to support their use. However, when compared to available medications, including over-the-counter treatments for vaginal infections, they do not provide enough relief to warrant a doctor's recommendation. Some remedies are even dangerous. Here are some of the most notable natural/alternative therapies, along with some information about their application. Honey yogurt for vaginal use. Yogurt contains live bacteria and is thought to aid in the restoration of good bacteria and the reduction of yeast overgrowth. While yogurt bacteria, lactobacilli, are similar to vaginal bacteria, they are not the same. Honey has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Small studies show that inserting yogurt with honey vaginally can help some patients with yeast infections, but it is far inferior to over-the-counter antifungal treatments. There is also concern that vaginal use of yogurt may promote resistant strains of vaginal bacteria. Probiotics are thought to help restore a healthy balance of vaginal bacteria. Oral probiotics are generally thought to be safe and worth a shot. Probiotics are showing promise in overseas studies for the treatment of bacterial vaginosis, but the results are still inconclusive. Probiotics have not been shown to be beneficial for yeast infections. A vaginal boil is a lump that forms on the lining of the vaginal canal and is usually filled with pus. It is usually caused by clogged hair follicles or oil glands. Vaginal boils can be caused by a variety of factors. Boils can appear anywhere on the body. Vaginal boils, on the other hand, are found on the labia, in the pubic area, or outside the vagina. Some skin conditions are similar to vaginal boils, but they are not identical. For example, abscesses are similar to boils but are usually deeper skin infections. Vaginal boils can be caused by a variety of factors and conditions. The following are some of the most common causes of vaginal boils. Organisms that are infectious. Boils can be caused by infectious organisms such as bacteria. Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, and Chlamydia trachomatis are some of the most common bacteria that cause boils. Skin disorders. Folliculitis is a major skin condition that can cause vaginal boils. When bacteria infect a hair follicle, this happens. A bump may form as a result of the irritation caused by shaving or waxing pubic hair. A bump is small but painful, and it will eventually grow into a boil. Cysts. The Bartholin gland cyst, which is caused by infection of the Bartholin glands located under the skin of the vaginal opening, is one of the most common causes of vaginal boils. A blockage in these glands can result in the formation of a hard bump, resulting in a cyst. Infections transmitted through sexual contact. One of the underlying causes of vaginal boils is STIs and genital piercing. Women with thicker pubic hair are more likely to develop vaginal boils. Remedies at home for vaginal boils. A vaginal boil does not usually require treatment because it heals on its own. It is not necessary to take medications for the same. It is usually treatable at home. However, one must exercise caution when treating a vaginal boil because the female vagina is a sensitive body part, and any incorrect treatment may aggravate the problem. Some of the home remedies for vaginal boils are as follows. Hot compresses are one of the most commonly recommended treatments for vaginal boils because they soften the boil and promote blood circulation and drainage. It also relieves pain and burning sensations in the body. Here is what you must do. Fill a bowl halfway with hot water and soak a gauge in it. Remove the excess water and continue to heat until cool. After that, apply petroleum jelly or coconut oil to hasten the healing process and protect the boil from any friction caused by undergarments. You can now throw away the gauge and clean your hands and bowl. Sitz bath. A sitz bath is a plastic ring that can be filled with warm water and placed over a toilet bowl that can be purchased from most drugstores. To avoid the purchase, one could simply sit in a shallow bath filled with lukewarm water. Maintaining proper hygiene entails washing the area with antibacterial soap. Cleaning the soap with water and drying it with a clean towel. Avoid rubbing or inappropriately touching the boil area, as this could aggravate the situation. Avoid wearing tight underwear. Make sure your underwear is not too tight and allows you to breathe. Tight underwear can irritate and inflame the boil. Pro tip: avoid pricking or squeezing the vaginal because this may aggravate the irritation and cause further damage.